Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves. Welcome to today's short video on this Cyber Monday. In today's short video, we're going to take a look at pound yen, which is the instrument that is on your screen on the 1 hourly time frame. And what we want to do is to look at what we expect next. So I'm sharing with you our view on pound yen. And I'm going to sort of interrogate this view as well, just so we can look at what else could be possible. Okay, so from this low, by just looking at price action from this low, we have here what appears to be a leading diagonal at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as we propose there. And then we have a 1, 2, 3. We propose this is a W. Then we have a 1, 2, 3. We propose that's X. Then we have 1, 2, 3 that we expect lower to complete B, since the diagonal would have completed A in white, right? And then down from the current peak or the recent peak, where we labeled it blue wave X, we expect price to trade lower, right? And then after that, we expect that price will rise. But what if this is all that we have in B and price will keep on going higher and break above that peak there? Why are we so convinced that we should be getting this move to the downside and then a move higher thereafter in B? And that's because this has to do with Elliott wave guidelines. And the guidelines for Elliott wave B of any degree is that it should be deep enough. So this doesn't look like it's deep enough to correct this whole move here. And that is why we think that and believe that we should be getting a move to the downside. And by the way, we didn't just put this label here after seeing this move going down. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's quickly go on to the chart of the week. And you'll be able to see for yourselves that we actually started this move, or we showed this move before it happened. This move before it happened, as you can see, price was about there, 168,274, and this was yesterday. We said when market opens, we should start seeing this move to the downside. And what do we have now? Exactly that, right? So it's not guesswork at all. Clearly, we show that we expecting this move or expected this move. We show that yesterday and today it's already happening. And we're expecting this move to the downside. But what if this is all we have in B? Meaning price goes lower but doesn't break below this low and rallies and break above this peak there. Well, if that's all that we have in B, how does one then explain or label this move that looks so corrective there? All right, which is possible. That's our alternative view. That if price doesn't break below this low, in other words, price stays above this low, continues higher whilst above this low, and break above this peak there, then we call B completed there, right? But how we will be viewing that is a question that may arise. I'm not sure how you guys will be viewing it, but we already have a way to look at this. And remember, this would be C higher, right? If this is B here, this move will be part of C. And C is usually impulsive, or it could also be an ending diagonal, all right? Then we would then be looking at this move in such a way that it would be it would make Elliott wave sense as part of wave C. And if one is interested in this kind of reasoning with the theory, interrogating the theory and analyzing the markets, following the guidelines, but interrogating the theory as well, you can take advantage of the current special that we're running and become part of the family and gain insight into what I've just shared now and more. All right. We've got a 50% off currently. So by getting a course at 50% or other offerings at about up to 50% as well, you will gain insight into the analytical guidelines, in-house analytical guidelines that which we have, which we use in interrogating the theory and reasoning with the market, and therefore formulating our primary or preferred views as well as alternative views on the basis of primarily the Elliott wave rules, Elliott wave guidelines, and our own in-house guidelines, which have proven to be very, very accurate and has helped us to predict direction on various instruments very accurately. All right, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and you find it useful. Cheers.